In this video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Personal Vault in OneDrive. So in order to do this, you first need to create an account on OneDrive. You can do so by going to Microsoft.com and going to the products and finding OneDrive from there. Once you're in this page, proceed to create a free account or if you want to sign up. However, if you already have an account, proceed to click on the sign in option that we have into this part. It should be able to help you sign in. So here is my actual account. So here are my files, and as you can see, I have Personal Vault. So how you can enable it is by going over to your actual files, and on the upper right corner, you can find this gear icon. For this, proceed to click, and you can find the settings option. So let's click on the settings right here. Once you have done that, this will direct you to the settings page of your OneDrive, so just wait for this to successfully load altogether. Now, once you're in here, the next thing you need to do is just head over under these options, and you should be able to find the Personal Vault. Click on this, and you can see this right here. Click onto this Manage. Then after that, you can actually manage right here some basic security options for Personal Vault right there. So if you want to turn this on, you can head over and then manage it from here, or you can also head back to your OneDrive and open it directly from your files folder. Just head over and click on Personal Vault right here. And then from in there, you should be able to open it and add some files or create or upload some things if you want. As you can see, it's actually enabled by default if you already created your account. And if you disabled it, you can just head over right here into this page that I have chosen or I have shown you earlier to enable it. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.